Alright, so I'm back, day 2. Yesterday, spent a couple hours ripping everything out, pretty much. We got all this seats, all the carpet out, floor, some rotted wood, and that side as well. The floor itself looks pretty solid. I think I'm gonna end up taking it out anyway and replacing it if I can. Today the plan is to rip it all out, actually lift it up, check it under the hole, check the floor of the boat, not just the wood. So it looks like I got foam right there and wood right there, which is all rotted out. Took all the panels off, seats out, ripped all the carpet out. Got this thing here. There's fiberglass down in there. Oh, as you can see, I got some wood that's no good right in there. It seems like there's foam under it. I'm thinking I'm gonna take that panel off right there, rip out the floor, and really give it a good look and see what's under it. This here is particle board MDF. I'm not surprised that it's all wet and falling apart. But it looks like it was just placed over some foam. So I'm hoping I could just rip it out and replace it. Maybe something else, not part of the board. Can't seem to find. Guessing this here is the gas tank. It's a metal box. I'm guessing that's what that is. Looks like you got hoses running to it. I assumed that it was a plastic box, plastic gas box that they used, but somebody here put a metal one. It looks like they built it in or something. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a bigger box. It goes under the flooring. And I noticed when I took this panel off here, there, and here, there was this here. It looks like foam, but it's like, it looks like sawdust almost. So I don't know if it's like termites or somebody, sawed on it, left it back there, maybe to make something fit like right in here. We'll see. So next time you see this thing, hopefully I'll be able to have all the floors up and be looking at the, I believe they're called stringers that are under the floors, or studs, whatever. Alright, talk to you guys soon.